Okay, continuing on testing the staging environments. So what I've got here is, let's come to here. So I've got my normal live site, and I have added, it was 6, and I've added a 7th active member. In the staging 2, if I go into, where are we? Members. I have 6. So I created the staging environment. Once it was created, I then added a member, as if the live website accepted a new member into the database. So when I push this to live, I'm not going to have I would expect this to not overwrite, because I'm not going to push the tables over. I want my user database on the live site to remain the same. So that's the test. Now, one other thing that I will do just to test is I'm going to go into the media library. So I've got staging 2. Okay, I'll get rid of that one. So staging 2, and what I'm going to do is this image here. I'm going to upload a new file. So I choose a new file on my desktop, which is this testing image, and I'm going to replace that image out. So this is the only change that has happened on the staging environment that I've done, like on the front end at least anyway. So there's a pink image there, and there was a normal image there on the live site, and as I said, I've added an extra member in the live site. So now I'm going to go into staging environments. Well, that was it actually, staging 2. So staging 2, push to live. And I'm going to advanced push. And I'll pause the video and come back when that's done. Okay, so I've got the files ready now. So I've got the image, which I replaced out, with the tester pink image, and I don't really know what this one is, but I'll leave it on as part of content. And then all tables I've turned off because I don't want the tables getting overwritten on the live site. So push to live. And I'll pause the video and come back and see what the result is. Okay, so we still have the same issue all over again. So it's failing to push this staging environment to the live site. So once again, what I did was I had staging 1 and I destroyed that staging environment. I created a new staging environment, which was staging 2. I made a simple change with the image, turned all the tables off, pushed it to live, and it's failing to push once again. So there seems to be a deeper problem here, and yeah, if you could have a look, that would be great. Okay, cheers.